Hare Krishna. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Guru Prasad Swaminiti Namine Gurudevam Vande Prabhupadaya Sevakam Karunika Titiksham Tat Prasadam Vitaranam. His name is Guru Prasad Swami Maharaj ki jai. So as many devotees said, Maharaj is very simple, 100% Srila Prabhupada man. So I was very fortunate. Last year there was a very small celebration at ISKCON Vrindavan. And somehow I was in Vrindavan. I came to know a day before, and my mother cooked a lot of bhogas for Maharaj also. So I was happy to get a service. And there, Maharaj's very close friend is known as Bhakti Sundar Goswami Maharaj. He made a very nice offering. He said, Gopal Krishna Maharaj, many devotees told that he's a perfect candidate, and Maharaj made this and so forth. But he said, I can see that you have no material ambition, and that's why I want to be in charge of my zone. So that's the most important qualification. Maharaj is very accessible and available on phone. And I had a very good opportunity to closely associate with Maharaj quite a few times at various places in Delhi, Mayapur, Prayagraj, and so forth. And especially in Prayagraj, Maharaj called me to his room and for some specific important thing. So I was very happy to go in the room, and Maharaj was there. I was alone there. And then after just Guru Puja, Maharaj worshipped Srila Prabhupada and came to the room and spoke to me for around 15 minutes. And then he said, the class would be in Hindi, no? I said, yes, Maharaj. So he said, okay, I'll hear Srila Prabhupada's lecture and join the meetings after that. And during the meeting, there was some issue. Maharaj asked my opinion on that. And then I said, I'm thinking to do this. I said, really, Maharaj, that can be very dangerous. He said, what danger do you expect? I said, Maharaj, this. And then Maharaj himself was told, can this be done? Can this be done? I said, even I was not aware of that. But Maharaj was so simply expressing. And then I told Maharaj, please, my name should not come. He said, yeah, I'll take care. So Maharaj, so simple, and it could be. And then another time I asked Maharaj, how is your health? So he said, yeah, I'm able to manage with my walk and with my exercise. And so very simple. Another important thing, Maharaj has great love for his own Gopal Krishna Maharaj and is so respectful to Maharaj's way of doing and the way Maharaj has expanded and preached and managed the zone like that. The last thing which, of course, many devotees did tell, but I would like to tell, last year Maharaj had a meeting before the marathon with the book distribution, and he said how every year Prabhupada said double it can be done. So Maharaj's formula was that every single devotee, he should distribute one book or distribute books to one person 1 week. So that way it become 52 people you approach, or rather who take books. You may approach more, but, and then you follow that person up. You take the contact, call that person up, and how is he, invite him to temple, did he read the book, and so forth. And then and then next year it becomes 104, and out of those 52, some people, you induct them to distribute further books. So how even a very new bhakta can be engaged in distributing books, and this way we can easily double it. And then Maharaj said, though he said, I'm GBC chairman, that last year Maharaj was GBC chairman, but I will also start doing it from now every week. To one new person, I will start giving book. So he's perfect acharya. What he preaches, he practices. Said so. So, and another recently Maharaj visited ISKCON Punjabi Bagh. So we had around an hour of brahmachari class by Maharaj, and I found Maharaj gave such profound, simple yet instructive teachings that Maharaj has lived a perfect brahmachari life as per Srila Prabhupada, always engaged in Krishna consciousness, never a moment free, is always absorbed, and he has very simple yet very profound instructions for the brahmacharis especially. And then Maharaj is always accessible, available on phone, every message on phone, even audio message, Maharaj all goes to Srila Prabhupada, all goes to Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga. And then whenever I approached Maharaj, he would send a video message, audio messages, and so forth. And Maharaj always had a very amazing sense of humor, though very small. But whenever Maharaj met me, he remembered all the messages which I had sent, and he would reply that he'd replied on phone, but he would always add it with some humorous point whenever we meet personally, even though after weeks, after months, but Maharaj would remember it and speak to it. So very, very grateful, and I feel very protected and very encouraged. I don't know why Keshav Murari said he could not walk, but I enjoy running with Maharaj like that, and it's a great pleasure. Thank you very much, Maharaj, for your association and for your kindness. Hare Krishna.